In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a fixed product bundle in WooCommerce using bundle press. Simple, beginner friendly and no complexity. So this is the basic front end of your bundle will look after watching this video. At first, go to your website at WP admin and install this plugin. After activating the bundle press plugin, just click on all bundles. Here you may find all the existing product bundles here, then click on create bundle. Bundle press plugin is offering 5 types of bundles and I am going to show you the fixed bundle. Just select it and here you will see a simple interface. At first give a name of this bundle. I am giving it Gourmet Essentials. I also need a short description. In the bundle gallery, just upload the image you want to show as a featured image. So I already created one. Click on add to gallery. So here's the image. You can add other images too, like single products images. Currently, I'm going to skip it. And then scroll down and in the bundle items, just add products. I'm going to add these 3 products. Then click on add 3 products. So this is the featured image, title, the short description and all the products are here. And in the pricing and discount section, you can add no discount and you can also give a percentage discount. For example, if you choose 10, automatically a 10% discount will be applied. You can also set fixed amount discount, like you want to give discount of $15. So automatically it will be shown $70. And then finally set price for entire bundle. I'm going to offer $72 here. So it's almost ready. Click on save bundle. Bundle saved as publish. So this was the bundle. Let me click on it. Scroll down and you will see. So this is the title and this is the image. And you will also find the what's included part, the price and the sale price. And if any user click on buy this bundle, it will start adding the product to the cart. Bundle added to cart. Let's open the cart. So this is the bundle and if you scroll down, all the products will be listed here. And the pricing is also fine, the $72. Let's go to checkout page. So this is the checkout page. You see the bundle price is $72 and the total price is also $72. So customer will now fill up the form, select payment method and place order. And you can also check the settings of this bundle press. You can choose the widget placement like before the cart, after the cart, product row style, product alignment. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you. And if you want me to create other tutorials for volume discount, mix and match, buy X and get Y frequently bought together, then please comment below. Thank you.